easy oil change. Anybody who has a little bit of tools can get this done quick and easy. 2023 Chevy Silverado. 8 quarts of oil. I'll show you that at the end. SAE 0W20 Castrol is what we use. Take your oil cap off in the engine bay. Very easy. Air filter needs a little cleaning action. Cold air reductions, cold air intake. Under, jacked up, always for safety. Back up, jack. Underneath, you got your filter and oil pan. Take out your plug, 13 millimeter. Twist off your filter. And when you're ready to put the new one on, all you're gonna do is get your oil, here, good stuff. 8 quarts, 6.2 liter. I believe it's the same for the 5.3. Filter, PF63. Unbox it. When you're ready to put it on, hand tighten. Don't over tighten. I gotta lube up the seal with a little oil. I like to put a little bit inside, screw it right up on top. Make sure that you put your oil pan plug back in. 13 millimeter, pop it back in, fill your 8 quarts, make sure you don't overfill. And that's it, you're done. Thanks for watching Cryptic Chevy. Like and subscribe. Thanks for your support.